Hi, here's a quick look at some of the great mobile controls that we've now built into our Storefront Blocks plugin, which lets you customize your WooCommerce shop page and also your category pages, and also showcase your products anywhere on your site. And you can see some of the options we've got here. So now you can set a layout, the column layout for desktop, for tablet, and for mobile. So it gives you complete control how they react on different devices. So I've just built two quick grids to show you two examples. The first one, we've got a grid here that's set, as you can see, to have 4 columns on a desktop. But as I reduce the size, you'll see, so I'm just going to emulate this, viewing this on a tablet. On a tablet, it springs into 3 columns automatically. And then if I go even tighter, you'll see this is what it would look like on a phone. So I've set it to have 2 columns on a phone. But you can change that as well, because this is another example. And these are all just set in settings, so there's no coding at all involved in this. This is a grid that's set to have 3 columns on a desktop, 2 columns on a tablet, and 1 column on a phone. So you can adjust these as you know what's appropriate for your store and for your products. So again, let's make this smaller. So you'll see, there we go. That's what it would look like on a tablet. And I go even smaller, then it springs into 1 column, and that's what it would look like on a mobile phone. So there's a look at the new settings in Storefront Blocks. It's going to give you great control over your mobile websites. And obviously more and more people are visiting your sites via mobile phone. So this is increasingly important for every site. Okay, so I'm just going to build a new shop page just to show you some of the mobile controls. Let's give it a title, and I'm just going to bring into this page the product square grid, which is just one of the grids that come, the blocks that come with Storefront Blocks. And let's just change the layout to start with for desktop. So I'm just going to say, right, I want 4 columns on this one on desktop. So I've now changed it to 4 columns, like so. And let's also add the overlay behind the titles just to make them pop a bit more. But for mobile layout, we want responsive layout here. So we could have it exactly the same as desktop, so it's going to keep to those 4 columns. But actually what we're going to do for this, we're going to say 3 columns on a tablet, and I quite like 2 columns on a mobile. Simple as that. So just change those settings. Let's publish that and go and view the page. So this is what it would look like on a desktop, but as I squish, you'll see on a tablet it goes to 3 columns, and then if I go even tighter on a mobile phone, it goes to 2 columns. So that's how you can change the settings so you get complete control over how your layouts work on mobile phones.